Vitamix Professional Series 750 brushed stainless finish with 64-ounce container. PVC plastic BPA-free housing in stainless steel. 2.2 peak horsepower motor and wide blade radius. 2-piece Santoprene rubber lid with a removable plug for adding ingredients while use. Stainless steel blade construction. 64-ounce carafe is BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester. Number 2. Cuisinart CVT 2000 Hurricane Pro. Powerful commercial grade 3.5 peak horsepower. Extra large, 64-ounce BPA-free Triton trademark plastic jar with soft grip handle. Exclusive Blendtec operating technology and automatic load sensing. Variable speed control 1500 to 25,000 RPM, turbo boost to 30,000 for maximum blending power. Memory function adjust any preset time and the memory feature will save it until you change it. Number 3. Blendtec Total Blender Classic. The Blendtec Total packs a 1,560 watt motor into its relatively compact, angular base. With that much juice behind its stainless steel blades, virtually any ingredients can be reduced to a pulp at its remarkable speeds of up to 29,000 RPM. Number 4. Waring Extreme High Power. The Waring Extreme High Power is a fast, powerful, and effective machine capable of making anything from pureed soups to super creamy smoothies. Its 64-ounce capacity and 3.5 peak horsepower motor will be valuable assets to any professional kitchen. Number 5. The Clean Blend 3 HP 1800 watt comes with a virtually unbreakable, 64-ounce, BPA-free container, and a stainless steel blade assembly with sealed ball bearing control, making it a smooth, strong, and reliable machine. It's backed by a 5-year warranty. Check description for detailed products.